Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, we are diving into one of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets out there, Phantom Wallet. Specifically, I'll be showing you how to deposit money into your Phantom Wallet so you can start managing your Solana, SOL, and other SPL tokens efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already installed Phantom Wallet, you will need to do that. Phantom is available as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, and it also has a mobile app for iOS and Android. To deposit money into Phantom Wallet, you will need to buy some Solana first. You can do this on various exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Here's how you can do it on Coinbase. Log into your Coinbase account, search for Solana in the search bar, click on Trade, and select Buy SOL. Enter the amount you want to buy and complete the purchase. Once you have purchased your Solana, it's time to transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. Now that you have your SOL on Coinbase or whichever exchange you use, let's transfer it to your Phantom Wallet. Open Phantom Wallet and click on your wallet address at the top to copy it. Go back to Coinbase or your exchange, find your SOL balance and click on Send. Paste your Phantom Wallet address into the recipient field. Double check the address and the amount. Then, click Send or Withdraw. After a few minutes, the SOL should appear in your Phantom Wallet. You can check your balance by opening the Phantom Wallet extension or app. To make sure everything went smoothly, let's confirm the deposit in your Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom Wallet extension or app. Look under your balance to see your SOL holdings. Click on Activity to review recent transactions. If you see your SOL in your wallet, congratulations, you have successfully deposited money into your Phantom Wallet. And that's it. Now you are all set to start using your Solana for trading, staking, or interacting with various DeFi apps on the Solana blockchain. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.